the first thing I'm going to cover is just a simple hi program with the Python. Once you install the Python, you'll end up acquiring your Python shell, and once you start it up, it will always look like this. However, one thing I wanted to show is if you do a file, new file, it will actually provide you with an untitled .py file that you're able to create your program on without having to continue to always rewrite it in the shell command. So looking at this particular one, we have a simple hi py program. The first thing we have is a variable aptly named name, and it equals to what? An input, and within the input is going to prompt you a question. This is how you end up writing that. So basically the variable name equals an input of what is your name, and notice I put a space and a double quotes. And then it's going to say print. What is it going to print out? It's going to print out the string hey. Notice these plus signs. These plus signs adjoin within the print statement. The name variable here, and then a continuation of good to meet you. So let's see what it looks like here. You can do one of two things. You can do run the Python shell, or you can hit your F5 key. So here we have it coming out on our shell. What is your name? With a small space. This is why I did a space with the double quotes. And this is going to be my input from the keyboard. I'm going to write out my name, Matt, and hit enter. And it's going to take the input from my keyboard that I write out, and it's going to put that value into this variable name. And then the next command statement, it's going to print out on my shell the string, the adjoining variable value, and then the remaining string. And that's what we have. Hey Matt, good to meet you. This is just the first example.